In this section, we'll look at calculating geometry within ArcGIS. This is the last section of the Chapter 4 tutorial lecture slides. We started out with tables and geocodes, then we talked about joins, spatial data formats and geodatabases, and now we're up to calculating geometry within ArcGIS. One example of calculation that we'll spend some time on is point centroids. Point centroids are useful if you want to extract point data for various reasons from polygon data and display it for different purposes. When displaying or analyzing small polygons, it may be better to use point centroids. For example, if you want to create some kind of mean value for a polygon and extract that for further analysis. You would do this by first calculating x and y fields. Add a new x field and a new y field in the attribute table. Calculate geometry for the x field and repeat for the y. When you do this, then you'll use the coordinate system and choose units, in this case decimal degrees. This will then generate x and y values that correspond to latitude and longitude positions. Then export the table within the attribute table area, right-click on the menu with the drop-down, and choose Export. Export all the records in the table, and you'll create an output table that then you can use within ArcGIS. Then add the XY data table to your table of contents, and choose Display XY Data. Once you are doing that, you'll be given several choices. It's possible to display X values, Y values, and Z values. And here would be the resulting point data that you would show up on the map. XY events should be exported as permanent shapefile or feature classes. So to do that, right-click on the layer name, the XY table, choose Data, and Export Data. Population then can be spatially joined to buffer around an area where you would have an event you want to track. So for example, what you see here is the use of then the point centroids. So for example, you had population data and you had points that where you knew you had polluting companies. You could then sum the two and display them on the screen. So under Join Data, you're joining data from another layer based on spatial location. You're choosing block centroids. Then each polygon will be given a summary of the numeric attributes of the points, and you use sum. Be sure you're aware of where you're saving the output. And this is what the join would look like. So in this case, you've joined together data that includes population with positions, that is the latitude and longitude, of an event. Some other geometry calculations you'll learn about in ArcGIS in later chapters in the manual include area, perimeter, and length. And this concludes the brief summary of using point centroids as a way of calculating geometry within ArcGIS.